Good day everyone. Today I have a quick tip to share. So if you use Ollama and you want to get a new model, you will use the command Ollama pull. And let's show you. You use Ollama pull. But for example, if you want to get this DeepSeek R1 or Gemma 3 and Quen 3, like if you want to get this one, you will add command like this, Ollama pull, like this. But if you want to pull multiple models at once, you cannot add another model name to the command like this. This will not work, right? So, but you don't have time to, call Ollama pull for every model that you want. This is a quick tip on how you can pull multiple models at once. First, you open your code editor or text editor, whatever, and create a new file, make it a batch file. For Windows, you use bat file. For Linux, I think you use sh file, shell file. I'm on Windows. On this machine is Windows. So, for example, if I want to get myself a DeepSeek R18B, I can put in here Ollama pool and then put the model name here, and you write another line for the second model that you want, for example this one. And if you have another one, you get another one like this, and then you save it as a batch file like this one. And when you run this batch file, it will pull the model one by one like this. It will do it one by one. And that's how you can pull multiple models from Ollama at once.